Hey, what's up? Sam here. Today I'm going to unbox the Mi Band 6 international version. Before I start, I'd like to give full credit to my friend Simi for providing this Mi Band 6 international version and the awesome studio. When I record like this, I'm in her studio, so please make sure to check out her channel in the description. Yeah, also, I'd like to say in this video, I will give a full walkthrough of the Mi Band 6. In later videos, I will post something like what the difference between the Mi Band 6 and the Mi Band 5, and also maybe what the difference between the international version and the Chinese version. So if you want to see more about this, please stay subscribed. Without further ado, let's get it unboxed. Alright, so this is the packaging of the Mi Band 6. It's all black. It's the same as the Mi Band 5, but with much better finish. You can see it's smooth, but that's not important. Let's check out the highlights. Up to 30 workout mouse data tracking and automatic workout detection. Water resistant up to 50 meters, swimming stroke recognition, reliable sleep information recording, magnetic charging. This one I really like. Move to the other side, we see 1.56-inch crisp and clear full AMOLED display, blood oxygen saturation monitoring, stress monitoring, and breathing training, a menstrual cycle data tracking. And that's basically what highlights that the Mi Band 6 has got. On the back, we see some non-important. First, we see the band. Yeah, we'll take a close look later. Then we see a chunky menu. It's so thick and it has so many languages. Mi Band 6 user manual, manual to 6, manual to okay, I don't know. So you can see it has many languages and it has every detail you need to know about it. And what else we got? Of course, the charging cable. It's magnetic. Alright, that's what the three things you got from the Mi Band 6 packaging. Alright, now let's get down to the Mi Band 6. I will just give you a full walkthrough, like the gesture control, that's what you get, everything you need to know about it. So the first impression of the Mi Band 6 is unlike its predecessors or other band, it doesn't feature a virtual key. So when you wake the screen, you have to just tap on the screen. If we swipe up, we get to see status, high, heart rate, SpO2, notifications, workout history, stress, breathing, cycles, events, alarm, weather, music, world clock, settings, and more. What is more? Click in, you see camera, stopwatch, timer, find device, silent. That's it. And when you want to exit the page, you just swipe right. You cannot swipe left. You can only swipe right. Now, if you swipe down, it's basically the same as you swipe up, just in reverse order. Under the home page screen, if you swipe right, you get to see music, weather. Yeah, three things. Let's just swipe up to choose one of the items to test. What you make here is the SpO2. Now it's measuring. At the same time, it shows my heart rate. It takes a while. Seems very normal, right? Let's check the workout. So we see outdoor running, treadmill, walking, cycling, indoor cycling, rowing machine, elliptical, pool swimming, yoga, jump rope, freestyle, which is the same as its predecessor Mi Band 5. But if you click more, these are all new on the Mi Band 6. You get to see dance, indoor fitness, gymnastics, HIIT, high intensity interval training. I don't know even what the hell is that. core training, stretching, stepper, Pilates, basketball, volleyball, table tennis, badminton, cricket, bowling, boxing, kickboxing, street dance, Zumba, and ice skating. So it has 90 more than its predecessor. That's basically all the gestures the Mi Band 6 has worked out. And now let's move to the app. So now I'm going to show you how to pair your Mi Band 6. So you open Mi Fit app, which you can download from Google Play or the App Store. Click Add a device. Go to next step, band, agree, and just keep the band close to the phone. And you will start searching. And then we see pair with phone, and we confirm and paired. It's that simple. All right, now since we're paired, let's just go through the app. So this is the interface of the Mi Band. The first column we see workout. You can see some data here if you have any. View more. You can see your PI, your stress level, cycles, blood oxygen saturation, and sleep. And it has really good analysis of your sleep. When you click in, you can see clear, like how well you sleep. Deep sleep, light sleep, REM, time awake. Very detailed, very professional, and it's helpful. And we go back, we see heart rate, weight. You can even adjust heart rate here. That's the first page. And also we can see working mode, running and cycling. And now we go to the second. It's friends. I don't have friends, so let's just move to the profile. We see here, you can set your goals here. A friends store, behavior tagging, feedback, smart analysis, settings. And if you click Mi Band 6, you get to see more about the Mi Band 6. Store is store, we don't need to know that. Notifications and reminders. Here you can choose whatever you want to show on your Mi Band 6. Like incoming call, you can choose on or off. The vibration, you can choose default or custom. Heart monitoring, band settings, you can set language. Since this is international version, so we can see lots of languages here, 8 languages. Display settings, shortcut settings, workout settings, and you can even lock your band. So let's just get back, find band. When you click find band, it vibrates. Discoverable, activity heart rate sharing, pairing restrictions. Okay, that's all of that. Alright, so that's a really simple unboxing, hands-on and walkthrough of the Mi Band 6 international version. So compared to its predecessor, the Mi Band 5, there are several changes, like they got a much better display, and also it has more functions like the added SpO2 and loads of more workout modes here on the Mi Band 6. And also the gesture control has become, much smoother and easier. But if you want to know more about the difference between the Mi Band 6 and Mi Band 5, that will be in my next video. So subscribe if you want to learn more. I'm Sammy, I will see you in the next one. Thanks.